Hey everyone, this is Michael Tritthart, International Technology Instructor. Excited to announce that we have class coming your way on Wednesday, March 23rd. This is going to be a day-long session, and this is a tell, show, do session. So bring your laptop and be ready to apply the techniques right there in the class. Morning session is going to be all about Google. Records for this session, I have a multitude of business owners that easily make $100,000 annually, year over year, from this tool and technique that I'm going to share with you guys in this session. I had another one last year, salesman in upstate New York, who made over $400,000 to his bottom line from all of these techniques. So we're going to show you how to implement all of that in the morning session. We're going to take our lunch break, come back, and do 7 ways to grow your business. Now, the record for this class, I had a father and son real estate team in California get back over $1.5 million to their bottom line. How did they do it? Come find out. We'll show you. And then we're going to wrap up the day from 2:30 to 3:30 on how to build your profit share with online recruiting. Me, personally, I went from, in just 3 years, $2,000 annually in my profit share to close to $28,000 last year. I'm going to show you exactly how to do that. We're going to go out and be able to implement all of this. This is all happening on Wednesday, March 23rd. Register below, and I will see you guys soon. Thanks.